It's an absolute pleasure to stand here today. There's nothing stronger than a shared vision. And last year, at this very same event, on this very same stage, a seed was planted towards joint efforts to localize our ability as African countries to develop our own digital solutions. Digital solutions for Africa, by Africa. I would like to congratulate the Zambia government and the Smart Zambia Institute with their clear vision towards localization and their efforts towards making this a reality. Madam Kasali referred to partnerships earlier, and we are privileged as Inc. Zambia, a local distribution partner, and Mezzanine, a digital solutions business, to partner with Smart Zambia Institute and the ministries in not only localizing capacity and skill to develop our own solutions, but also the ability to contract in local currencies, to own and host and process our own data centers locally. As Mezzanine, we believe in a better future. We believe in the human potential of creating this better future. But we also believe in the pivotal role that digital play and technology play in enabling the human effort towards a better future. It's in this regard that it requires strong leadership, vision, hard work in translating a technology benefit into economic benefit for citizens of this lovely continent. We would like to invite other ministries and other governments and countries to follow the example of Zambia in building local capacity and strengthening our local effort towards a better future. Thank you very much.